From the 1st of March, SEBI has come up with 3 new rules for mutual fund investors. Let's understand them in detail. 1. You can add up to 10 nominees as opposed to only 3 nominees. To add the nominees, you will have to give the nominees details like their PAN number, last digits of their Aadhaar card, contact details, and relationship with the investor. Remember, this can be added only by the mutual fund owner and not a power of attorney holder. You can specify the percentage of the investments every nominee gets. If you fail to specify, then the investment will be divided equally among all the nominees. 2. Simple asset transfer process. In case of the death of the investor for the asset transfer, the documents needed are A. Death certificate, B. Nominee's updated KYC details. No other extra documents will be required. 3. Special provisions for incapacitated investors. If the investor is incapacitated, then one nominee can operate the investor's folio on their behalf. To maintain transparency, we'll need to visit the investor, verify their thumbprint for authentication. Lastly, the investor has to confirm with an independent witness. Whatever amount will be withdrawn from the account will only be transferred to the investor's bank account. Let us know in the comments what you think of these new rules. Follow QuickWrite for more such finance content.